Welcome to Lamination Depot. Today we'll review 4 easy steps on how to use one of TruBind's desktop binding machines, the TB-S20A. The TB-S20A is an all-in-one manual binding machine with an electric coil inserter activated with a push of a button. It can manually punch up to 20 sheets of 20-pound paper at a time and electrically insert spiral binding coils of all sizes with a 4-to-1 pitch. 4-to-1 meaning there's 4 holes punched for every 1 inch of your document. Today we're punching a stack of 8.5 by 11 inch letter-sized documents, then binding them with an 8mm coil binding spine with front and back binding covers. Step 1. Plug your power cord into the back of the machine, which is used to activate the electric coil inserter. Here you'll also be able to access the built-in waste bin. Step 2. Setting the hole punch guide and depth margin. Insert your document face down against the sizing guides labeled on each side. Then lock your hole punch guide in place and punch your document using the manual lever. If you see any half-punched holes, disengage some pins and repeat the process with a new test document until you see a clean punch. Next, set the depth margin based on the thickness of your project. The depth is how far from the edge that the holes are punched. This machine offers 2 depth margin sizes, 4.5 and 6.5 millimeters. It's best practice to use a 6.5 millimeter setting for thicker projects. Once your hole punch guide and depth margin are set, you can begin to punch your final project and binding covers. A pro tip is to punch everything face down and always punch the covers separately to avoid a jam. Step 3. Inserting the coil. Thread your coil into the first few holes, then flip on the button to activate your coil inserter. Use a light dabbing motion to guide your coil through to the other side. Continue to flip your document and dab the inserter until the coil is centered in the middle of your document. Step 4. Cutting your coil. Use the hand cutter crimping tool included with your TruBind machine. Keep the red eye of the tool on the top side and simply insert it into the end and squeeze. You're now ready to start binding. Thanks for watching another how-to video by Lamination Depot. Be sure to check out this machine and many other products at our one-stop shop, laminationdepot.com.